go for the Mul-T-Lock MT5 Plus. We'll start with a little visit to the alpha. Alright, so we've got some very slight core movement. 3, 4 clicks, 5, 2, 3 again, 5. 5, 4, 3. 2, some more core movement. Alright, just push that alpha just a little bit more before going for the sliders. Trying to get under with the flag. Where am I? My flag is stuck. Alright, that should be good for now. One last pass to make sure, and then slider. Okay. Start with the bottom sliders. The 5th one. 1, 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright. Alright, 2 again with some slight core movement. Oh, that's it, guys. I'm only needing an inner. Come on, come on. Oh, wow. Fastest pick. Oh, nice. Wasn't expecting it to get this fast, so that's some good news. I'm gonna need this screwdriver. So if I keep everything here, it should be in frame. The screen's on top, so I can't see what's filming. I'll try not to put my hands in the way. So as you can see, it moves. I'm gonna lock it back before I screw it or anything. Key still works fine. Alright, so let's pull chamber 1. We have a spring. First driver. Just pushing the inner pins. Try to not make a 15 minutes gutting video. Nobody wants to see gutting for 15 minutes. Alright. So there's the driver, the inner. The outer key pin. Spring number 3. Get driver and inner. Outer key pin. Number 4. Oop. Okay. I've got the driver, the inner key pin, the outer key pin, chamber number 5. Driver, inner, outer. That craptastic alpha spring, alpha pin I mean. And I need to pull the plug to get the rest out. To need the key and ooh, don't do anything stupid. There's a ball bearing, the sidebar, and 1 pin left. Get rid of that ball bearing. Remove the key. No, not the key yet. As you can see, the sidebar is right here. So I'll start with the sidebar then. A little spring just fell at the right place, so that's cool. And bring his twin with him. Sliders are here, as you can see. Can I remove the key now? Yeah. The alpha pin, and I'm going to try to put the sliders in their respective order, so that's number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 4 we said. Thank you. And number 5, nonetheless. A lot of stuff going on. So here we have the plug, chambers, keyway, all original, ball bearing, sidebar groove, and let me just arrange those for the close-up. See, can we see false gates? Maybe if the focus would come to life. It's hard to tell, eh? We can see them a little bit. So I will try to bring this to your view without missing everything. There we go. Everybody's here. So this was my pick of the Mul-T-Lock MT5 Plus. I have to say big thanks to GeorgiaJim for lending it to me. It was an instructive pick. I do understand why it was a black belt before being red. This alpha pin works wonderfully well. It's very annoying, hard to tell when it comes in action. But I'm sure I'm glad that it's done in cotton tape. So that's all, folks. Thanks.